Hey there, urban gardeners. Welcome back to Urban Greenery, where we turn concrete jungles into edible oases. Today we're diving into the world of veggie gardening for absolute beginners. No green thumb? No problem. We've got you covered with our top 7 easy-to-grow vegetables that'll have you harvesting in no time. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, but I live in a tiny apartment, or I kill every plant I touch. Trust me, I've been there. But these veggies are so forgiving, they practically grow themselves. So whether you've got a sprawling backyard or just a sunny windowsill, you're in the right place. Let's dig in. Lettuce. First up, we've got lettuce. This leafy wonder is perfect for impatient gardeners. You can start harvesting in just 3 to 4 weeks. Pro tip: plant a new batch every 2 weeks for a continuous salad supply. Radishes. Next, meet the speedsters of the veggie world, radishes. These peppery little globes are ready in about 20 to 30 days. Bonus: kids love growing these because they're so quick. Green onions. Number 3, green onions. These are practically indestructible and can even regrow from kitchen scraps. Talk about zero-waste gardening. Cherry tomatoes. 4th on our list, cherry tomatoes. These sun-loving fruits are perfect for beginners because they're less fussy than their larger cousins. Remember, give them plenty of sun and support, and they'll reward you with sweet, juicy goodness. Halfway there with number 5, bush beans. These compact plants don't need trellising and produce a lot in a small space. Fun fact: bush beans are great for container gardens on balconies or patios. Coming in at number 6, we have the famously prolific zucchini. One plant can feed a family, or the whole neighborhood. Word of caution: don't blink, or they might grow too big. Last but not least, herbs. Basil, mint, and cilantro are not only easy to grow, but also add instant flavor to your meals. Apartment dwellers rejoice. These can thrive on a sunny windowsill year-round. And there you have it, folks. Your ticket to homegrown veggies, no matter where you live. Remember, gardening is all about experimentation and learning. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, that's half the fun. Before you go, here's a quick recap of our magnificent 7. Lettuce, radishes, green onions, cherry tomatoes, bush beans, zucchini, herbs. Now it's your turn. Which of these veggies are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you're hungry for more urban gardening tips, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We've got a bunch of cool projects coming up that you won't want to miss. Remember, every expert gardener was once a beginner, so grab some seeds, soil, and start growing. Your future self and your taste buds will thank you. Until next time, keep it green, keep it urban, and happy gardening.